Bee hotels are another way you can create bee habitats in your space. In addition to growing pollinator plants, a bee hotel creates nesting and overwintering habitat at the end of the bee season. Let's start off by gathering our materials. You will need a 4x4 block of untreated wood, a drill to do holes a fourth an inch wide, paint for decoration, and creativity. You do not need to have a 4x4 boat. As you can see, WAWA's isn't. The point is to utilize untreated wood. Once your wood is shaped, on one side, drill a series of holes a fourth an inch or less in diameter and around 3 to 5 inches deep. Holes 3/8 of an inch or greater should be 5 to 6 inches deep. Width is important for the types of bees you want to attract to the hotel, as it can't be too big or too small. A fourth an inch will get most bees. Depth is important in the production of female bees, as male eggs are usually laid in the first 2 to 3 cells closest to the tunnel entrance. Make sure you don't drill holes close to the edge. Drill holes with a sharp bit and sand the holes to remove splinters, which don't want to hurt bee wings. Give your hotel a roof so that the bees are protected from weather elements. This is optional, but you can paint the outside of the holes black. But definitely make sure to decorate all other sides of your bee hotel box. Hang your finished hotel off the ground in a protected location with light shade in a south-facing position. Firmly install your hotel to a stake, fence, or wall so it does not move or shake in the wind. Movement disrupts nest and larval development. 3 feet or higher is good. Maintenance is super important. After every 2 years, retire your bee hotel as disease and bee waste can be a problem. Have fun with your pollinator guests and make sure to tag WAWA in pictures of your new bee Airbnb hotel.